आपको दिखाते हैं कोरोना संदेश।
सभी व्यूअर्स को मैं डॉक्टर नवदीप शर्मा नमस्कार करता हूं। पिछले 21 वर्षों से दुनिया भर में आयुर्वेद के माध्यम से मैं इलाज कर रहा हूं और आज मैं देख पा रहा हूं कि पूरा विश्व आयुर्वेद की ओर इम्यूनिटी बढ़ाने के लिए एक उम्मीद से देख रहा है। सदियों से ही हमारे यहाँ राजा महाराजा चांदी के बर्तनों में भोजन का सेवन करते थे अपनी इम्यूनिटी को बढ़ाने के लिए। तो आप सबके घरों में चांदी की पायल, बैंगल, पेंडेंट, कोई भी आभूषण हो, जिस पात्र में आप पानी स्टोर करते हैं उसमें वो डाल दीजिए। उस पानी का सेवन करने से आपकी इम्यूनिटी जो है वो बेटर रहेगी। शुंठी, मरीच, पिपली, ये 3 हर्ब्स जो किचन की शोभा बढ़ाती हैं, इनका इस्तेमाल अधिक कीजिए और भस्त्रिका क्रिया अधिक से अधिक कीजिए। इन चीजों का इस्तेमाल करने से आप हृष्ट पुष्ट रह सकेंगे और कोरोना नामक महामारी को दूर भगा सकेंगे।
हृष्ट पुष्ट रहे आयुर्वेद में माहिर डॉक्टर नवदीप शर्मा से जटिल रोगों का आयुर्वेदिक निदान पाएं। कॉल करें 7222006006।
When I was younger, I was very sensitive. I could feel the pain that people endured. My father once told me, it's good that I can feel people's pain. It would be even better if I could transform one's pain into soothing relief. These words of my father nourished and nurtured the divinely planted seed in me to become a compassionate healer. And my journey with Ayurveda, the science of life, began. According to Ayurveda, our Panchabhautik body is an amalgam of space, air, fire, water and earth, and solution to all chronic ailments lies in balancing these body elements. As the origin of Ayurveda goes back to thousands of years, so some part of our ancient historical knowledge is lost. That's why I started my own research and shared it with the world. Ayurveda can give very quick recovery, even quicker than allopathy, in most chronic ailments.
The blend of Ayurvedic medicines, Panchkarma, yoga, diet has helped Dr. Navdeep Sharma create the brand Hrisht Pusht and Team Nirogam by treating thousands of patients suffering from chronic illness. Join Dr. Navdeep Sharma's guided path of healthy living. Call now at +1 888 624 5925.
नमस्कार। हमारे इस इवनिंग लाइव इंटरेक्टिव सेशन में मैं डॉक्टर नवदीप शर्मा आप सबका स्वागत करता हूं। और जैसा कि हमारा अक्सर प्रयास रहता है आयुर्वेद के माध्यम से कुछ अच्छी बातें करना और आयुर्वेद के माध्यम से आप सबके अधिक से अधिक क्वेश्चंस को ले पाना, यही प्रयास हम आज भी करेंगे। और आज जब हम ये प्रयास करेंगे तो हम आयुर्वेद के अंदर जो विभिन्न प्रकार की धातुएं बताई गई हैं उन धातुओं के बारे में बात करेंगे कि कौन कौन सी धातुएं आयुर्वेद मानता है, उन धातुओं का ध्यान कैसे रखना है, अगर धातुओं की क्षीणता हो रही है तो उसका क्या नुकसान है, और अगर धातुएं पुष्ट हैं तो उसका क्या लाभ है। तो ये सारी बातें हम आपके साथ करते चले जाएंगे और इसके दौरान आप अपने क्वेश्चंस भी पूछ सकते हैं। A very warm welcome to all of you who have joined us from India, and as well as a warm welcome to all of you who are there with us from out of India. And as I promised, and as I always promise to all my international viewers, that if you ask any of your questions in English, my reply back to your questions shall be in English, and if your questions are in Hindi, all your questions shall replies will be in Hindi. So जिस भाषा में आप मुझसे अपना प्रश्न पूछेंगे, मेरी कोशिश यही रहेगी कि मैं आपको उसी भाषा के अंदर जो है वो जवाब दे पाऊँ। तो आप सब अपने जो प्रश्न हैं, अगर आप हमारे साथ पहली बार जुड़े हैं, आप आयुर्वेद के बारे में कुछ जानना चाहते हैं, तब भी आप प्रश्न पूछ सकते हैं। अगर आप हमारे एग्जिस्टिंग पेशेंट हैं, हमारे से किसी प्रकार का इलाज आप करवा रहे हैं, आप तब भी अपना प्रश्न जो है मुझसे पूछ सकते हैं। प्रयास यही रहेगा कि आयुर्वेद के माध्यम से आप सबके प्रश्नों का जवाब जो है वो सही तरीके से दिया जा सके। देखिए, धातुओं की बात कर रहे हैं, डाइजेस्टिव फायर की बात कर रहे हैं, और आयुर्वेद में एक श्लोक आता है जिसको बोलते हैं रोगे सर्वो अपि मंदाग्ने, अर्थात सभी रोगों का मूल, सभी बीमारियों की जड़ आयुर्वेद मंदाग्नि अर्थात डाइजेस्टिव फायर का वीक हो जाना मानता है। आयुर्वेदा बिलीव्स दैट इफ द डाइजेस्टिव फायर ऑफ अ पेशेंट इज पुअर, is not very good, it can lead to a number of diseases in that individual. That is why any kind of treatment in Ayurveda, when we are giving any kind of treatment with the help of Ayurveda, the first thing which is always covered in that treatment is the digestive power. And that is why any kind of treatment that we give to patients over here in Ayurveda, we always focus towards the improvement of the patient's digestive fire, because it is this digestive fire of the patient which potentiates the stimulus, which potentiates the change of the food into ahar ras. When we take any kind of meal, this digestive fire basically changes that meal into ahar ras. So that is why the digestive fire is very essential, because then it is this ahar ras which then gradually changes into ras, rakt, mas, med, asthi, majja and sugar. All these dhatus are gradually developed out of this ahar ras with the help of our digestive power. So that is something which is the most important one. So coming to the question of Mr. Rakesh Sachdeva ji. Rakesh ji have written that hello sir, patient ID is this and pain area right chest and right upper back side. Video of my father as discussed yesterday. I started 1 week after we started isolazine tablet and Foscut 400. Rakesh ji, I am just going through the video and I am also getting some questions from some of the patients which are there with us. There are certain missed calls which we are getting. One of those number is ending from 680. So I would request you that since I will not be able to take the direct calls during this live session, I shall definitely be reading out your messages. You are all requested to write down the messages. And yes, the video is there with me, Rakesh ji. I can see the video and you have mentioned कि कहाँ exactly जो है he is feeling pain. So what I would like over here is that the pain which he is feeling at times, I am not saying that it is due to pleural effusion in your father's case, but at times there might be a bit of pleural effusion that can develop in a patient's case. So my request to you, if the pain is exactly over here, if you get time, you can go for a X-ray chest, and I would like to have, you have written the right chest and right upper back side also. So I would like to have an X-ray of this area if the pain is non-bearable and if the pain is too much. However, if the pain is not that much, then the Helen capsule inhalation and the fomentation with ajwain is sufficient. Latif Ahmed ji. Before I take Latif Ahmed ji's question, a very good evening Shrilata ji. Good to see you over here. With the changed timings of my life, because I had to change the timings as many of our international patients were finding those timings of 5 p.m. a bit inconvenient. So that is why those 5 p.m. timings have now been given to my doctors. They go live at that time, and I have started being live at this time. Latif Ahmed ji have written that suffering from diabetes from last 5 years, but problem is fasting sugar. Latif Ahmed ji have written that taking insulin 16 units at evening, but fasting sugar is still 170. My age is 35. Latif ji, I would like to tell you over here that, see, first of all, as far as the fasting blood sugar is concerned, and as you have mentioned that you are facing a problem due to the increased level of fasting blood sugar, and your age is just 35, I would like to tell you over here is that undoubtedly we shall also be working towards the reduction of your fasting blood sugar levels. But then the most important thing which you must remember over here is that controlling diabetes is not just about controlling the blood sugar levels. Now the reason for that is that if we simply focus merely on controlling the blood sugar level, if we increase the units of insulin, automatically the blood sugar level will come down. But then bringing the blood sugar level down is not just the only important thing over here. What is important is that for a patient who is of 35 years of age, it should be a blood sugar reduction, it should be HbA1c reduction, it should be a reversal of any kind of diabetic neuropathy, nephropathy and retinopathy that has started occurring inside the body of the patient. So all these perspectives have to be taken care of while any kind of treatment for you is planned. And as I can see over here, your coordinator Mr. Gaurav Kataria is there with us during this live. It means that you have been coordinating with him. And I would like, Latif ji, that I won't pile you up or bundle you up with too many medications to begin with, but I would like that we can start with Diamynil Gaurav ji in this case, 2 tablets 3 times a day, and then we can start with Dynom, 2 in the morning, 2 in the evening. Both these are very good supplements in Ayurveda which have been specially prepared by us. And along with this, we also need to start with Thyro Armor, 1 in the morning and 1 in the evening. And why, Latif ji, we need to start these things and why your blood sugar is not coming down, one of the major reasons why your blood sugar is not coming down is that, see, when we start with insulin, after few months of starting insulin, the body starts feeling that the pancreas need not work. So the beta cells of the pancreas, which are already damaged, now those beta cells, they further are degenerated, and as a result, even if some part of the pancreas, some part of the pancreas which was working, now gradually that part also becomes non-functional, and gradually a person is completely relying on the artificial insulin now, and no synthetic hormone can ever match our natural made hormone. So bringing your blood sugar level down is not a very great challenge, Latif ji. You can very easily bring the blood sugar level down, but by increasing the number of units, by changing the type of insulin which you are taking right now. But then, since you have approached us, the most important thing over here becomes taking care of diabetic neuropathy, diabetic nephropathy and diabetic retinopathy. That is the most important thing, especially when a patient is as young as your age. At the age of 35 years, you are having complete life in front of you, and you need to prevent all kind of problems that can happen. So that is something which is very important, and we should make sure that those things are avoided. And if it's only due to movement fracas, in that case what you can do is the normal Vicks or Arhalin capsules. You can apply those on the chest and try to make him wear a warmer at night. Since the weather is now changing, he should wear a warmer at night. Then need not go for a X-ray chest. Then it should be sufficient not to go for a X-ray chest. So we were discussing about the dhatus, and when we talk about dhatus in Ayurveda, there are sapta dhatus: ras, rakt, mas, med, asthi, majja and shukra. And it is believed that one dhatu gives nourishment to the next dhatu. So it is one dhatu, the nourishment goes to the next, from next to the next. Like this, the nourishment it carries on. And a very good slok is mentioned in ancient text about these dhatus. Rasat rakto tato masam masan medasti cha asthino majja tato shukram shukrad gharab prajayate. Arthat from ras dhatu, it is the rakt which is developed. From rakt dhatu, it is the mas. From mas, it is the med. From med, it is the asti. From asti, it is the majja. And from majja dhatu, it is the shukra dhatu that is developed. So it becomes very important that if we really want to have a healthier body, we should understand, we should try to understand what exactly these dhatus are about and how we can take care of all our body dhatus. Now once we are talking about ras dhatu, it can be compared to the plasma of our body. The ras dhatu is the plasma of our body. From ras dhatu, we move to rakt dhatu. Rakt dhatu is the blood. With all kind of blood cells in it, it can be compared to the blood. From rakt dhatu, we move to the mas dhatu. Now mas dhatu, there is another thing which I need to correct. When we talk about the skin, when I will be saying about mas, many of you will feel that mas dhatu is the skin. but it is the Ras Dhatu which constitutes the skin, and Mas Dhatu in fact are the muscles of our body. All the muscles of our body are taken care of in the Mas Dhatu. Med Dhatu. Now Med Dhatu is the underlying subcutaneous fat. That is the Med Dhatu. After Med Dhatu, it is the Asthi Dhatu. Asthi Dhatu are all the bones of our body. Then comes the Majja Dhatu. Majja Dhatu is basically the bone marrow. And then comes the Shukra Dhatu. Shukra Dhatu is a unit of happiness, Punsatva in male, which can be correlated to sperm count and various other hormones essential for giving birth to a child. And in females it can be compared to the egg and various kind of hormones which are associated for the production of a normal egg. So these are the dhatus of our body. I'll be coming to these in details, but after I take the question of Suvidhaji. Suvidhaji, how are you doing? You are a very warm welcome to the live. And all of you who are there on this live today, Suvidhaji, you also, and then I'll be requesting you also, Shlataji, and all my patients, since we have changed the timings for my live. My request to you, please do share these changed timings of our live with your friends so that they can know that we have changed the timings and they can connect to us during these evening hours. And as Suvidhaji, you have sent the reports of Mr. Christian. You have told me that you have sent the reports of Mr. Christian, and I am checking out these reports. The reports of Mr. Christian shows a urea of 97, a creatinine of 6.8, and all other reports are there with me. The reports are pretty encouraging. What I am basically planning, Suvidhaji, now is, which I discussed with you people last time around also, now that we have started with Panchkarma, and we already have been delaying Panchkarma since so long in case of Mr. Christian, it becomes very important that we start with these Panchkarma procedures in Mr. Christian's case as soon as possible. Because see, as you must have noticed, that in case of Mr. Christian, we can see a marked improvement that has come his way. But then, despite that marked improvement, now the reports are more or less stagnated. And from here to go at the next improvement step, Shodhan Chikitsa of Ayurveda is really very important. So I would like to have Mr. Christian with us at our Chandigarh center, the Panchkarma one, for at least 7 days to 14 days. Depending upon how quickly his body responds, it will be better if we can plan a 14 days stay for him, where everything will be taken care by us. And I really expect a good improvement coming his way during those 14 days. So that is what I feel should be done in his case. If there are any questions in your mind in regards of that Panchkarma, you definitely can ask me. As far as increasing the body weight is concerned, and as far as your question is concerned, Mr. Raghav, I shall definitely be coming to the body weight improvement, because today we are taking topics of dhatus. Since we are taking the topics of dhatus, that is why the body weight, having a nice body weight, if someone is having more body weight, if someone is obese, even for that person, the knowledge of dhatus becomes very vital towards controlling of his or her weight. And if someone is underweight, even for that person, the knowledge of dhatu is of immense value, because again it goes a long hand in helping the person to know how a person can naturally improve his or her weight. And coming to the next question, which I can see, Mr. Jyotir Ramoyji, a very warm welcome to you in this evening live. You can ask your question also. And for our international viewers from US, you can see the numbers over here, +1 888 624 5925. So it is a facility which we are right now having for our international viewers. You can give a call on this number, and you can directly ask a question by giving a call on this number. And for our national viewers, you can always send your messages to the WhatsApp number, and I'll be taking your question. Vulendula Satishji, a very warm welcome to you in the evening live, and you have shared your patient ID. Please write down your question also so that I can reply back to your question. all of you who are joining us over here in this live, I request you all that keep on writing your questions so that none of the questions is missed by us. And Mr. Satish, concerned person of Mr. Sandhya, has joined with us as is being told by Mani. And yes, Mr. Satish, you are there with us. And Mani, I would like to have some further details in regards of your patient, Mr. Satish, so that I can advise further on this. And Satish, you can also forward the reports on the WhatsApp number which is there on your screens. You can forward it on that number, or you can also forward it on 7222006006. Since this number is our international number, so rather than forwarding it on this number, unluckily the number is not over here. Seema, please write down the number, the national one over here in this live, so that our patients can forward the reports on 7222006006. And coming to the details which have been provided by Mr. Gaurav, yes, your patient Jyoti Pramoy ji is there with us. Mr. Jyoti Pramoy, yes, you are there with us, and welcome to the live. And as your coordinator, Mr. Gaurav, has given the details that you are suffering from Parkinsonism. So, Gaurav ji, I would further like to have details about your patient. And Mr. Jyotir ji, if you can forward a small video of 5 seconds to 10 seconds to me of the movement or of the tremors that are occurring due to this Parkinsonism, I would further appreciate it, and I would be able to guide you even better in this regards. So if you can forward me with a small video, it will really be a great help. And Mani, I am waiting for the details of your patient Sandhya ji, so that I can further advise on that. And I will be then suggesting the treatment and the medications also. I am waiting for the details to be had from Mani. Mr. Satish, please be there with us, and I'll be immediately coming back to your question. And yes, as I can see that married since 6 years, primary infertility and fibroids are there. And Mani, can you please help me out with any of the scans which have been forwarded so that I can guide? And Mr. Satish, I would also like to tell you that Mani will be connecting you to our gynae department, and when we talk about fibroids and infertility due to fibroids, in Ayurveda, in Yoni Vyapad Rog, various details have been mentioned on how to deal with these, and there is a lot that Ayurveda can do in case of a female who is suffering from fibroids and is having infertility due to that. Do not worry, forward all the details to us, and if possible for you, forward all the reports on the number which you can see over here. And as I can see, yes, there are certain reports that have been forwarded by you, Mr. Satish. The scan is there with me, and there is fibroid, and it is abutting endometrial lining and displacing lower half of endometrial lining. So it's a big fibroid, as it has gone towards the intramural fibroid. So it becomes very essential that we can as quickly as possible reduce the size of this fibroid. It becomes very important because in this case the fibroid size is too big. So Mani, in this case, the drug of choice will be Femcare tablets, which have to be given 2 tablets 3 times a day, ThyroArmor 2 tablets 3 times a day, and these 2 are very essential. And if there is no financial concerns, then I would also like to add Karshicare, 1 in the morning, 1 in the evening. Although Karshicare is a very expensive medicine, I do not say it needs to be necessarily taken. If there is any cost problem with taking of Karshicare, then do not give Karshicare. And in that case, you can, along with the first 2 mentioned medicines, add Vang Basam 250 mg BD, Tamra Basam 10 mg BD. And these are the things which you need to add. Rest you can also try connecting him for a video conferencing session with Dr. Monica Sharma if possible, so that the best kind of treatment can be planned in case of his wife. So do not worry, Mr. Satish, we shall definitely be taking care of this. And Gaurav ji, I am waiting for some further details of Mr. Jyoti Pramoy ji, and if I can get some 5 to 10 second videos of your patient, it will even be better for me. And Rakesh ji, written, please suggest diet and exercise for my mother. Rakesh ji, as I always suggest my patients, that diet is something which if a dietitian suggests, that is the best. The diet recommendations from my end always remains: don't give Vayu Vardhak a hard over. Urad ki dal not to be taken. Arbi not to be taken. Kachalu not to be taken. basi food, stale food not to be taken. Rest, Laghu and Supache diet, a diet which is easy to digest and a diet which is fresh can always be taken by you. शाहिद जी has written कि आपका जो फाइब्रॉइड है, आपका असर मेरा फाइब्रो 14 है, प्लीज़ डिटेल्स दें। शाहिद खान जी, जैसा कि आपने फाइब्रो स्कैन में 14 वैल्यू बताई है, इसका मतलब आपका KPA 14 है, जो कि इंकरेजिंग नहीं है। इसका मतलब है कि आपका जो फाइब्रो स्कैन है उसके अकॉर्डिंग अगर मैं चलता हूँ तो काफ़ी जो है वो स्टिफनेस बढ़ी हुई है, तो आपको बाकी दवाइयों के साथ साथ हमें लिवर टॉनिक्स भी देने पड़ेंगे ताकि आपका लिवर जो है वो हेल्दी हो सके। तो आप प्लीज़ अपनी रिपोर्ट्स, जो नंबर व्हाट्सएप आप स्क्रीन पर देख पा रहे हैं, भले ही आप इस नंबर पर भी भेज सकते हैं, ये हमारा US के सेंटर का नंबर है, और आप चाहें तो 7222006006 पर भी अपनी रिपोर्ट सेंड कर सकते हैं। और अगर आप अपनी रिपोर्ट्स को डायरेक्टली मुझे भेजना चाहें तो सबसे अच्छा तरीका है हमारी मोबाइल ऐप रिस्ट पुस्ट को डाउनलोड कीजिए। उस मोबाइल ऐप में आपको मेरा नाम भी नज़र आएगा चैट में, डॉक्टर नवदीप शर्मा के नाम से, और आप मुझे भी डायरेक्टली अपनी रिपोर्ट्स, अपने कंसर्न भेज सकते हैं। ज्योतिर्मोय जी, you written that coordinator's name, my mother name is Aarti Sudhukhan, my mother is suffering from Parkinson's, mostly face walking difficulty, fast walking difficulty, speech problems, tremors in legs and hands. She is taking allopathic medications. Mr. Jyotirmoy, I would like to tell you that in your mom's case, there is two kinds of treatment that you can go for. In one of the treatments, many of the Parkinson's patients, Gaurav will be sharing any video with you also if you want, they directly come to our place, they stay with us for 2 weeks, 3 weeks or up to 4 weeks, and they get a regular medication as well as panchkarma done for themselves. And when both those things are done, miraculous improvements occurs in many of the patients. There are others who do not intend to travel in the beginning. Traveling is a bit impossible for them in the beginning, and they start with the supplements in that case. And I shall be guiding your coordinator Gaurav for all those supplements. Do remember, in the initial part of the treatment, do not stop the medications which are being given by the allopathic doctors like Sindopa, Ropark and other medications. And then gradually, as you will see improvement coming your mom's way with the help of our medications, you definitely can start reducing on those medications. And even we will be guiding you to reduce those medications gradually. But the most important thing is giving the right kind of treatment. So I would appreciate if you can be there with us. You definitely have to search for an appointment because people from all parts of the globe they visit us. Although due to COVID, it will be easier for you to get an appointment right now because we are currently having more of national patients than international patients, and that will be good enough for you to have an appointment over there, and you can be there with your mom, stay with us, and you can expect that in whatever stage your mother comes to us, she will be going at a far better stage. So plan it out, reach out to your coordinator for it, and if possible, be there with us. Else, I'll be guiding detailed treatment to your coordinator, Mr. Gaurav Kataria, and you can get back to him. And money, yes, about abducting endometriosis lining, the fibroid over here becomes very important to be taken care of because it is going in the muscles. That is why I suggested that as soon as possible you should plan a video conferencing session of her with Dr. Monica. It becomes very important. So plan it out, and then immediately we should start. Until the time, the things which I have guided, you can start with those things. Sundarji, medicines will remain the same as of now. I won't be changing the medications, but then Panchkarma is something which is very important, which I want now to be done for Mr. Christian, because else gradually the medications will start becoming less efficacious. So at his stage now, Panchkarma is required. Mr. Satish, I have prescribed certain medications, and Mani is going to tell you for that. At such a young age, I don't feel we should immediately go for a surgery. I am advising certain medications. We should go for those medications. We can go for tumor marker test and we can compare those tests. And then after 2 months of taking of those medications, we can compare. We can go for a comparative scan if we are going for the complete details. Seema, you need to mention the other number 7222006006 number for the patients to note, as the international number is already there on the screen. So please write down the national number for our patient Seema, so that they can be facilitated by forwarding those reports on the national number. And coming to the further details, Mr. Gaurav, you can connect with me in regards of your patient, and you can then get back to the patient. वांशी जी, रिटर्न गुड इवनिंग सर। दीपक की तबीयत अब पहले से बेटर है, 2 डायलिसिस हो रहे हैं वीकली, बट दीपक को 1 डायलिसिस रोक के देखो बोल रहा है, उसको हिम्मत नहीं आ रही है। वांशी जी, आप 1 डायलिसिस रोकिए, दीपक जी की अगर ज़रूरत है तो इनको एक लाइव ज्वाइन कराइए, क्योंकि रोका जा सकता है। तो आप चिंता मत लगाएं, और मेरे को लगता है कि अभी हम इन्हें अब कम करना शुरू करें, या रिपोर्ट्स को देखते हुए कम करेंगे, आप चिंता मत लगाएं। एंड मेरे पास रिपोर्ट्स आई हैं जी, और जो रिपोर्ट्स हैं वो हैं सुपर्णा चंदा जी की। सुपर्णा चंदा जी, you have shared the reports with me. After dialysis reports are there with me. So please write down the question also. The question which is there in your mind, please go ahead with your question also. The reports are there with me. They have been forwarded to me so that I can reply you back in this regards. And there are certain other reports. The reports are from Mr. Virappa Nagoji Kapal. Hepatitis B surface antigen values there with me, and you have shared the allopathic medications which you are taking, and definitely with the help of Ayurveda we can expect a very good recovery. And the things which can be started in Ayurveda are immunocare, immunonirogams and SL care. If you are having any coordinator which we have allotted to you, please write down the name of the coordinator, and if there is no coordinator that has been allotted to you, please mention it over here so that we can immediately allot a coordinator to you or a doctor to you who can guide you in a proper way in this regards. तो वांशी जी घबराएं नहीं, दीपक जी को आप कनेक्ट करवाएं लाइव पे, ताकि हम धीरे धीरे करके उनका घटा सकें डायलिसिस। Gaurav ji, in case they are unable to come, in that case we shall be starting with Rasraj Ras 1 in the morning, evening, Breno A 20 ml in the morning and evening, Mucuna capsules 2 in the morning and 2 in the evening, Mahavad 2 in the morning and evening, Anutel for Nasir, Sheelbala 101 2 in the morning, afternoon, evening, and Manas Mitra Rakkam 2 in the morning and 2 in the evening. You can start with these things, and you can try connecting them to one of our doctors for further details. Jyotirji, as you stay in Kolkata, and then the good thing is that we are having a center in Kolkata. Gaurav ji, please make sure that Jyotirmoy ji can visit Dr. Hiraj Malik in Kolkata, and he can get his medicines directly from over there. So that is a good thing, Jyotirji, and very soon we are going to start with Panchkarma. We are planning to start with certain therapies over there in Kolkata also, and that will make the things easier for you. So don't worry, but still at any stage, if possible for you, do visit. We get a lot many patients from Kolkata who stay with us, because see, there is a direct flight from Kolkata to Chandigarh, and that makes the things easier. But as of now, I have guided the medications. You can start with them. वांशी जी, आपने लिखा है वेट बहुत कम हो गया है, 44, खाना पहले से ठीक खा रहा है, तो वेट इतना कम क्यों हो रहा है सर? एंड फेस और बॉडी को पिंपल्स भी बहुत हो गए हैं सर, काइंडली सजेस्ट। वांशी जी, आप कोशिश यही कीजिए कि वीक में एक बार आप हमारे किसी डॉक्टर के साथ ज़रूर 1-on-1 सेशन भी कर लिया कीजिए। और मैं चाहूँगा यही कि डायलिसिस हम बड़ी नीड पे करवाएं। देखिए, अगर बहुत डायलिसिस करवाएंगे हम दीपक के, तो कमज़ोर और होता चला जाएगा। तो मैं नहीं चाहूँगा कि इतने डायलिसिस हो, एज़ पर नीड ही जो डायलिसिस हैं वो होनी चाहिए। सो फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू हु ज्वाइंड अस टुडे, आई रियली फील that with the help of Ayurvedic guidelines that I gave you and with the details that we discussed, you must have benefited. And I always request, please do not forget to like the videos so that we are motivated enough that yes, if we are doing something, the people are benefiting from that. For all of you who joined us today, I would like to thank you. आप सभी लोग रेस्ट पुष्ट रहें।
When I was younger, I was very sensitive. I could feel the pain that people endured. My father once told me, it's good that I can feel people's pain. It would be even better if I could transform one's pain into soothing relief. These words of my father nourished and nurtured the divinely planted seed in me to become a compassionate healer, and my journey with Ayurveda, the science of life, began. According to Ayurveda, our Panchabhautik body is an amalgam of space, air, fire, water, and earth, and solution to all chronic ailments lies in balancing these body elements. As the origin of Ayurveda goes back to thousands of years, so some part of our ancient historical knowledge is lost. That's why I started my own research and shared it with the world. Ayurveda can give very quick recovery, even quicker than allopathy, in most chronic ailments.
The blend of Ayurvedic medicines, Panchkarma, yoga, diet has helped Dr. Navdeep Sharma create the brand Rest Pusht and Team Nirogam by treating thousands of patients suffering from chronic illness. Join Dr. Navdeep Sharma's guided path of healthy living. Call now at +1 888 624 5925.
एक योग्य आयुर्वेदिक चिकित्सक के अंतर्गत अगर आयुर्वेदिक इलाज करवाया जाए तो गंभीर से गंभीर रोग में वो एलोपैथिक ट्रीटमेंट से भी शीघ्रतापूर्वक काम कर सकता है।
किडनी, हेपेटाइटिस और अन्य गंभीर रोगों से जूझ रहे रोगी विश्व प्रसिद्ध आयुर्वेदिक चिकित्सक डॉक्टर नवदीप शर्मा को तुरंत संपर्क करें।
According to Ayurveda, our Panchabhautik body is an amalgam of space, air, fire, water, and earth, and solution to all chronic ailments lies in balancing these body elements. As the origin of Ayurveda goes back to thousands of years, so some part of our ancient historical knowledge is lost. That's why I started my own research and shared it with the world. Ayurveda can give very quick recovery, even quicker than allopathy in most chronic ailments.
The blend of Ayurvedic medicines, Panchkarma, yoga, diet has helped Dr. Navdeep Sharma create the brand Risht Pusht and Team Nirogam by treating thousands of patients suffering from chronic illness. Join Dr. Navdeep Sharma's guided path of healthy living. Call now at +1 888 624 5925.